The area behind the Masaryk train station is destined to become a railway and electrical engineering museum. One exhibit will be the 130-year-old train bridge that used to be in front of Stromovka Park in Prague's Holešovice district. It was moved behind some disused Czech rail workshops in 2023, as the Holešovice rail line is being modernized. The railway workshop buildings, some of which are 180 years old, will be joined together into a modern complex to house the museum plus a restaurant, conference rooms, and related spaces. It will include several full-size train cars and examples of large technical equipment. The museum should open in 2028.
Like, follow, share and comment for more Prague travel tips and stories.